Today is more than just a date. This is a milestone, a moment, a miracle. I'm 46 years old now, and each year, each season has shaped me into the person I am today. There were times I almost give up, moments when silence louder than my prayers, but I never walk alone. God was there always. I've been through valleys and mountaintops. May mga araw na mahirap gumising, at may mga araw din naman na sobra-sobrang saya. But through it all, I grew, I healed, I keep going. To my family, thank you for the unconditional love. To my friends, you've been my strength in the moment of weaknesses. To those who doubt me, thank you. You give me the fuel to rise higher. And to those who believe in me, you give me the courage to dream again. At higit sa lahat, Lord, salamat. Salamat sa buhay, pag-asa, at sa panibagong taon. Okay, let me say a short prayer. Dear God, thank you for the 46 years of life. Thank you for the breath in my lungs, the strength in my body, the peace in my heart. Continue to mold me, guide me, and use me for your purpose. I surrender this new chapter to you. Fill me with wisdom, love, and light. Make me a blessing to others and help me to walk with faith. And even I can't see what's ahead, bahala ka na, Lord. Amen. To everyone watching this, don't wait for the perfect life to be thankful. Celebrate the small victories, appreciate little joys, and trust the process. Kahit mahirap minsan, life isn't always easy. But with God, it's always meaningful. Siyempre, happy birthday, happy 46 sa akin. Cheers to more purpose, more peace, and more passion. Let's go, 46.